is my final happy episode. It's called Some Like It Lukewarm. If you're an old movie fan, of course, that's Some Like It Hot. So the writers are making fun of some of their favorite movies. There's a band contest, and everyone shows up and discovers you have to be in a mixed gender band. So they force Davy to dress as the girl, right? And they meet a girls group where they've forced, that's Deanna Martin Dean Martin's daughter. She and Davy were hooked together in the tabloids as being a relationship, but they really weren't. But it's kind of fun to put them together. So this group, right, so she's doing that. The answer, so the most of the episode is pretty feminist in that there's this girl rock band. Before the Bangles and The Gogos, there's a girl rock band, right? The flaw in this one, I feel bad, is when you first meet the women, see how they can all play their own instruments? They're all playing guitars and drums. When the answer, of course, is we are individually lying about having a mixed gendered group, so let's mix our groups together and we'll be telling the truth. But when we do it, look what the girls become. They're the go-go dancers behind the boys playing their instruments. They totally lose their own ability to be rock stars.